CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 16th of June 2025. Zabi Bai is a Christian woman in Egypt. She was kidnapped by the Islamic State, severely abused, but was rescued in a military operation. Now she speaks out for all those who are imprisoned by Islamic extremists. A Vatican spokesman said that Pope Leo XIV is very worried about the recent Israel-Iran war, adding that war never solves problems but brings great destruction. He wants a ceasefire and all problems to be resolved peacefully through dialogue. Emily Sandberg said that tensions are increasing in Myanmar. The army is taking action against Christians, which has caused many lives to be lost. But the Catholic Church is hopeful for peace and is celebrating the Church's Jubilee and Pentecost. The killing of Christians in the name of Islamic Jihad in Nigeria is a deliberate campaign that is part of a plan to seize the resources of Christians in the region. Bishop Martin Agwamizi explains that the jihadists say that Christians are using everything. Eliminate them so that the resources can come to them. Levi, who serves Christians in Laos, says that she was detained several times to stop the spread of Christianity. Her legal membership of the church was suspended. She was accused of feeding people who are enemies of the country. She is still suffering under strict surveillance. Man Sim Hun secretly worships with Christians in North Korea. He said that he has many physical problems and when he goes to the hospital, he is not treated because he is a Christian, so he returns, praying to God for strength. Indy J said that Christians in Azerbaijan are under a lot of pressure from the government. They are also kidnapped and killed by disappearing. This is being done by a certain Islamic extremist group. Christians should be provided with protection. In Sudan, Adila says that there are difficulties as a Christian, but as a woman, she also faced sexual violence. Islamic extremists treat her very badly by threatening to kill her. Nasir R. said that she saved the new government from many attacks by the Islamic State, but now she is active in Syria. 3 members of her family were kidnapped. They were also harassed. Now the authorities are not taking any action. Gang attacks are increasing in Haiti. Edward Mark says that 50 Christians have been killed, including children. The government has failed to save them. Many attackers have full support. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.